morning and welcome to today. Let's see how my tie-dye shirt turned out. Oh, nice. It's still wet. Did it rain? I wanted to wear it. Dang it. I'm sorry, the Blair Vlog Project, I think that's your name. Look at this, look at the amount of pepperoni on this pizza. Is that not the worst that you've ever seen? That's horrible. They may as well not have put any on it. Do you agree? Comment it to me if you agree, because I think that's your name. The one who said about the pepperoni on frozen pizzas.
Going to work
Lala?
right here.
Well, is it? I let us drive 5 minutes past the beach.
How?
And then back.
This is not how much you dress. Oh, because we have to. Does this not like actually fit on it? You have to like hold it?
No, dude, you put the pointy one.
Oh. I thought it was like a...
No,
if
I think.
you can hold this, I got it. Alright.
Look at little me, look at my hair. No, I said I'm going to dye my bangs.
Oh, Mom's gonna kill you. Did you get to see Cleo? She doesn't
Never stop.
She comes over.
Meow.
I like your shirt, Stephanie.
Yeah, it's cute. I mean, like, the scene is cute. Say, I'm a she. I have a gender. I'm a Lucy. I've never seen a dog, like, lay on their back.
What?
Wow.
Like,
You've never...
this dog. Man.
Maybe like had a relationship.
She doesn't want you to sit there, Kayla.
Cropping.
Do you want the whole couch?
Put a dog here and then stitch him into a blanket.
It's pretty sick, actually.
Yeah.
Now you stop? Why do animals do that?
I don't want to sit on the floor. There's probably just as much dog hair on this couch as there is on the floor.
Yep.
So it probably don't even matter.
Are you done?
Mersh. Mersh. What are you doing? What? What are you doing?
Whoa, dude.
Yeah. We're definitely.
The heck?
Madison, what?
We had to take the elevator from the second floor to the first floor. We already walked down those stairs. Elevator!
It's probably because like this butt has like no muscle to it at all. It's all fat.
Elevator, elevator, elevator.
They can't see you.
You can see me in there.
Oh, you can. Yeah, somebody.
I would point that out, wouldn't I?
Yes.
Yep, your mom's gonna look at it too.
Hi. Oh, it's like, I don't know, 1 or something, close to 1. What time is it? 12:40. But, we just had Trailer Park Boys on. I wasn't really watching because I was trying to decide if I wanted to go to bed or not, but I want to go to bed. So, if you liked anything in this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see what I do tomorrow and all the other days, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.